we'll guide you through how to track changes in Google Docs. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Google Docs in your web browser and go to the document where you want to track changes. Once your document is open, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a pencil icon next to the Share button. Click on this pencil icon, which represents the mode you're currently in. A drop-down menu will appear with three options: editing, suggesting, and viewing. To track changes, you need to select the suggesting mode. This mode will allow you to make changes that appear as suggestions, much like the Track Changes feature in other word processors. When you type, delete, or move text, your changes will be highlighted in a different color and your suggestions will appear in the right-hand margin as comments. This way, the original text remains intact, and other collaborators can see your suggestions. If you are the document owner or have editing permissions, you can accept or reject these suggestions by clicking the checkmark or X next to each suggested change. This lets you keep full control over what changes are implemented. You can also leave comments on the suggestions to give more context or explain your reasoning. To switch back to making direct edits, just change back to editing mode. Remember, this feature is especially useful when collaborating with others, as it keeps the document organized and ensures everyone is on the same page. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.